Jamaica. Okay, how much do men really know about female fashion? I don't know why them invite them two men here because them, I think, know the least about female fashions, but we're about to find out. The stylist behind KZK Boutique, Carleen Kelland, has brought a few Afrocentric models, but here's the twist. They'll be announced by today's MCs, Jerry Benswick and Triple X. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
I don't know what qualify Una to tell me anything about clothes because I don't know nothing.
You know, see clothes every day.
Una don't know nothing.
We expert. We go to University College of Public Opinion. Thank you.
Style is different from just seeing a woman and looking at her.
I have a doctorate in observation.
All right.
Fully
Good
qualified.
morning, Carleen. How are you, darling?
Great, thank you.
Carleen has brought us some of her wonderful clothing, and we're gonna go through and see. So, can we have our first model step out, which I absolutely love, by the way.
Whoa.
Yes, talk to me about this Triple X and Jerry.
Well, model number one is wearing a black handsome with
black what?
with some curtain cloth looking something down her bottom and
We call that frills.
and we call it something junker feather, but the junker feather they look good.
There are some very nice junker feathers, I agree.
With a little hint of blue in the hair.
Hey, and
lovely.
there's also a hint of blue on the feathers, if you
And the
notice.
feathers have a hint of blue as well.
All right, so Carleen, can
Silver
you actually
sheets.
tell us about the outfit that we're seeing?
Yes, so Melissa is wearing our vintage look from the store. And so she's got the feathers, she's got the simple black dress with the lace at the bottom. Very vintage, very now.
Yes, it's very nice. My mommy had a dress like this, and I stole it from her because I absolutely loved it. But I think I need the feathers to carry it off.
Yes.
Oh,
And
absolutely.
the shoes are popping. The silver one, it just gives a nice contrast.
I want to
I
tell
think they
you.
call it like a accent piece.
It's
Yes.
You know what? If she is going to a funeral and me say, I don't want to go to the funeral. So,
Looking very good. I'm not telling you a lie. Loving it.
Thank you so much, my love. May we have our next model come on out and have our wonderful gentleman critique. Oh boy, or announce rather. All right. So tell me about this outfit, gentlemen.
woo, rock and roll.
Yes.
Rocking.
Loving
Rocking.
it. The belt piece, I like the belt piece. It kind of have a little frilly.
Frilly.
Pump, oh, yeah, chili
Punk
that
rock.
skirt, me like it. And me like the long skirt part, well floral. I'm not telling a lie. It reminds me of my grand living room near to Christmas. I love it. Love it.
I'd say this is a cross between punk rock and modern contemporary.
Yeah, and the blue
Wait.
ear, blue. What kind of content?
Modern contemporary. See, yeah, very couture. Couture.
Couture, yeah.
Where we are?
Yeah, couture. Yeah. Me like that.
Carleen, walk us through this one.
So Amelia is wearing an evening dress.
Give us a spin.
And with the sequin top, a very long dress with the belted ruffled bells. So it just adds
leather
to the
ruffle
yes,
belt.
it adds to the look with the wooden bangles. Very now, very today, very on trend.
So tell me a little bit about why we would go for a loose with a loose. Wouldn't you like to try and pair one with the other, like a tight and a loose, or a loose and a tight, or it doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter. You style your own style your way. So whatever you put together and it looks good on you, then it's okay.
And
for
of
you.
course, I see that her heel is clear, which is
Oh
very,
yes,
very popping
neutral,
these
yes,
days.
very
every day.
popping,
So
very
clear.
on trend.
Yes.
What do you mean by loose and
Loose
The
and
thing
loose.
tight.
Thank you, my darling. Next up. All right, I love this piece. I do, because it just screams powerful to me. I don't know why. It just screams like power suit.
So this is very this is supporting the feminist movement. This shows a strong black woman with her nice thick afro ear. You understand? And it looked like it can like a nice transition at the belt and a transition from work chic to fashionesque.
All right.
That's good.
And you know, you can pop off the jacket and like you can be going out, right? That's
Loving
that's
it.
Mon
nice.
chéri.
So Paris is wearing a simple just pantsuit. You can take to work, and as he said, you take the jacket off, and then you've got the belt, the ruffled bells with a red top that pops, and you can take it from office right to evening.
That's nice.
Like
So
yes.
this are the gear man bun suit.
Jesus.
So you wear this work and then take it off and then
I'll let you be the
This
judge
is
of
the
that.
outfit.
Her
This
name
is
is
the
Paris,
outfit.
the clothes
and
is
the
not
Easter
her.
outfit this.
I thought she said this is from Paris.
Her name is Paris.
Okay,
Thank you
okay.
very much.
Oh, I
Can we have our
apologize.
next
I
model
thought
come
she
on
was
now?
from Paris and we were going to talk
when the
about
camera
Paris.
there. You see if your woman I left her yard with so
Oh.
ask question.
Come, gentlemen, it's your turn.
I will deal with this one. I got this.
Go on.
I go to say that this here is a nice African-looking lady. This is the way a woman needs to dress every single day. Nice, flowing outfit. You see that dress? I would take her out. All right.
If not, make sure touch the floor, you know.
Good.
No,
They move
what I
fast
like
like
about it, what I like about it is the person that is wearing the outfit.
Just
Just take off your boot and
take off your boots.
because we now watch your boot. Because you know, me notice woman wear them boot. Because I would even see the
Me
boot.
will you know it's the boot?
Because you see what I want to back up.
All of this look too
Yeah,
good.
man, bounteous with that fertile like St. Elizabeth style. Good man.
I cannot deal with the two of you.
A true African woman.
Yeah,
Look at her. That is the kind of woman I want in my compound as one of my wives.
As one of your wives. Thank you so much, my darling.
I like the black lipstick like Shani, I'm not chocolate.
I can't manage this from you.
Look good, man.
Is there anybody else? Or will okay. Yes. No, if you just leave those shoes with me, I'd be great. Like appreciation.
Wow,
All right. Gentlemen.
I like this.
I'm stunned.
That's not they can't even speak.
That's something I look like.
This is a
look like
street look.
Street look, you understand
Street
me? I say,
look.
Like she can't look, me not tell her like she
I don't
look.
want a bad woman in
No,
my
I like
life.
her, you know why I like her?
She remind me. Look
With a
here.
woman like this, nobody now go pressure for no money to party.
Wait, man.
I like it.
You see the video with the girl with the gun and the brother in the front seat? And as him come in, she said, give me your wallet. You love me, dog? And him say, yeah, I
She
see
that.
And you know, she now come out of her. I like the blue ear. The afro something, afro wear now.
Yes,
Natural ear.
yes.
I watch through the Black Panther show come out.
No, it's not because of
Not-
the
not because
We're
of that,
becoming
because
more
Aware, right?
You were before the trend. You understand? So you were before your time, and I understand that. But we love the look. Me not tell you, the heels them bad for you.
Yeah, I love
I like it, but nobody got half for you. Them cash for gold boy, they go to take off. You understand what I say?
I would take that advice. Watch out for that. Don't go off a tree. I agree.
Carly, talk to me a little bit about this outfit and
as
why you chose to pair those fantastic shoes with this street look.
Right. So our dresses were in our street look, and I paired those shoes because you don't want the street to be like a sneakers. You know, we want to be fashionable and stylish. So
Yeah.
we pair it with something that is very fashionable, very today, very on trend, very on par with what she's wearing. And
Yeah,
so,
girl.
yes.
Yeah, you have it a guam.
So I'm not really
is
fast in
amazing.
business, but I want to offer them outfit, I say.
Aha! We're going to talk about that now.
Okay,
Can we
okay.
have all the models on?
Now,
Because
first, me I say
everybody,
that
you can
pullover something,
take,
that
take
look
your
good,
parade, ladies, please. Come and
Me like
take
the one
your
them
spot
is.
so we can see everybody
I
on.
want them
Now,
like-
all these outfits and more can be found at KZK Boutique. Carlene, tell us a little bit about KZK Boutique and how long it's been going on.
But KZK Boutique has recently launched and since October of last year. So we're pretty new in the market, and we're at 10 Argyle Road here in Kingston, and it's about trends, classic look, trendy look, office, everything.
Guys,
everything.
like I tell you a story,
Yes.
right? Me never even know so the store did it, right? And then when we go in and bust the door, I was like, oh, everything you can think of. Flowing, tight, clothes, pieces that you would wear. You look at it and it looks like a house. You can go in and you sit down in your chair. You can have a look at everything. There's jewelry, there are bags, there's shoes. It is amazing. And that's just one room out of the store. It's an amazing store. If you like punk rock, if you like on trend, if you like off trend, if you like classic, you should have it. Believe me. What is your handle on Instagram or Facebook?
KZK Clothing 2017.
And guys, don't even look at the page alone because there's so much. Go take a look at the store. Gentlemen, you have any leaving comments that you want to leave us with your ladies?
Just leave
She
us
can't go on with you. Let me just put that out there. She's not going home with you. She got
No,
work
I'm
to
not
do.
to say that.
All right? We don't say that you're not going to come with. So no matter. You can't get them.
Off when after this.
Of the
But the
year.
proprietor of the store don't look too bad too, you know.
And of course, she's wearing KZK
I want a Gucci
boutique
for my foot and
clothing.
everything. Yeah, I saw them one there.
But I will walk with her. I'll ride shotgun any day.
Okay,
Front seat of
stylist
the
behind.
car.
The woman I eat party, you know.
Stylist behind KZK Boutique, Carlene Keller, and of course, our fashion-forward MCs, Jerry Benswick and Triple X. Thank you, ladies. You were absolutely amazing. Oh my God, I don't have anything else to throw at you. We're so calm.